Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel and this significant support where the price line is moving right now. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me share this news with you from Cointelegraph that is showing that now people are fully aware to keep their crypto safe and they're getting out their assets from the exchanges to their private wallets. Exchange outflows hit historic highs as Bitcoin investors self-custody. Confidence in centralized exchanges appears to be waning as Bitcoin flows into self-custody wallets at near record levels. And here we got some more details. Bitcoin investors have been increasingly moving their holdings to self-custody solutions following the collapse of the world's second largest crypto exchange last week. On-chain exchange flow data is showing a surge in withdrawals to self-custody wallets according to analytics provider Glassnode. These analytics are showing that now there will be less Bitcoins available on the exchanges for trading that can lead to a more long-term holders. And the more long-term holders we have, that means the decrease in supply that can lead to an increase of demand. And automatically, in my point of view, the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can rise, or at least I think in the near future, the price can be more stable. Now let's move to the chart. And first of all, let me show you this weekly time frame. And here we have been watching this very significant support zone that was from $19,500 to $17,500. But unfortunately, after this FTX collapse, you can see that the price line has also broken down the support. But it did not drop to the next significant major support that we have here at $13,880 that has been breaking as a resistance here back in June 2019. And by the way, after that we have another major support that is more stronger than $13,880, and that support we have here at $12,473. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see I've placed another trend line at $15,968 that has been breaking as a support in the previous history as well. Now we are on the daily time frame chart, and now if we move back to what the previous history of this support of $15,968, then you can see previously here when the chart will be loaded, you can see here it was breaking as a support in November 2020, here as a resistance, here as a support, and here as a resistance. And right now you can see exactly from this support, after this drop, exactly from this support, Bitcoin got bounced, and we had another bounce. And now if we switch to this smaller time frame chart, this was the resistance, by the way, I was showing you in my previous videos as well. But after this price accumulation, in my point of view, we have this resistance in this way because we have more touch points here as well. And still it is having this resistance of the symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart. Now if Bitcoin breaks out this resistance, let me to show you first the target to the downside in case of breakdown. If Bitcoin breaks down this support, then we can have a further move to the downside at $13,950. That is showing us the projection to the next major support that we have here at $13,880. But in my point of view, we can expect a breakout. But once we will have a breakout with the volume support, then we can expect this move to the upside that can lead the price line to move above $19,000. The target is $19,266. And once Bitcoin will be able to break out this $17,500, and after breaking out this resistance of the triangle, there is a probability that Bitcoin may also break out this resistance of $17,500. Then this $17,500 can work as a very strong support. Right now we are not as that much strong support like we had here at $17,500. Therefore, we need to break out this resistance as soon as possible. And once Priceline will have this support of $17,500, then there will be a probability that it may make another attempt to break out this resistance of the Bitget down channel that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart as well. So the next few hours can be really very important for Bitcoin. You can see that the movement is very squeezed now. We are at the end of this triangle. So at any time it can break out or break down the support or resistance. And if there will be a volume support behind that breakdown or behind that breakout, then the situation can be completely changed for Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.